Most people trying to unlock a Temu Free Gift are all doing the same thing. Scrolling, tapping, spinning, hoping something magically appears. But here's the truth. The real Temu Free Gift unlock isn't about luck. It's about triggering the right system response. And that's the part almost everyone underestimates. So let me show you the actual hack that makes the free gift unlock dramatically faster. And yes, it still works in 2025. Before we start, the current working free gift code is right here on the screen, and you'll also find it in the description and pinned comment, along with a couple bonus codes Temu rotates every few days. Use those if your first attempt doesn't trigger the event. Alright, here's the underestimated hack. Temu boosts your free gift speed when your account shows new activity behavior. What does that mean? It means Temu prioritizes accounts that show fresh interactions, not repetitive ones. Here's exactly how to trigger it. Step 1. Open the free gift page and enter the code. This activates your progress bar, but don't start tapping everything immediately. That's where most people go wrong. Step 2. Switch categories intentionally. Don't stay in one section. Tap electronics, then home, then trending, then beauty. Temu tracks variety, and variety boosts your progress weight. Step 3. Add any item to your wish list, not cart wish list. This single action increases your unlock rate more than people realize. Step 4. Close the app, reopen it, then finish the last 2 to 3 actions. This signals renewed user interest. Every time I do this, the progress bar jumps faster. Try it yourself with the code on screen. And tell me in the comments what free item you ended up unlocking. I'm curious how many people finally get theirs using this hack.